It's Diday Vlog, and today we are going to check what's on my fridge. What's on my fridge? What's on my fridge? What's on my fridge? Hello, sir. What's on my fridge? What's on my fridge? Ay, sumagot tayo. Luluto. So ito, luluto natin today. Try natin. Try ko kung mapapakain ko si Lulong. Okay. I'm gonna put this in. I'm just showing.
That's how you cook it.
So, see here. Yan. Yan. Katawanis. Right. Okay. And you're going to try. Okay?
Sure.
You have to try it first. So I seen this, they just steam it. So, but this steam, instead of the plain water, I put some fragrance. Okay? We'll see how it goes. Or maybe, yeah, I tried the just the fragrance. Okay, fragrance, flavoring the smell. Bay leaves, dry bay leaves. I just put 2 and put the garlic and this one ginger, and then let it boil. This is good enough because the color is, see guys. It's boiling. Oof, oof, oof. Be careful. Oof. Hot. Go. Yeah, so this is the moment of truth. Again, my experiment. I have a hot sauce for you. And if you want sriracha, sriracha, and then sriracha. I have juice.
How much vodka did you put in that?
There's no vodka. Shh. Shh. Okay. We'll see if he's gonna try this. Okay, this. Oh, look at that.
Looks like an
It's inside like that. See that, guys? Oh.
Oh, went all the way through.
What's wrong with you? Your face. And then, gonna use this. Oh, look at that. Oh, 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 oh. After 20 minutes, this is the result for that. gonna try. And then our first bite is the so to all of you there.
What do you have to put a hot sauce on there to kill the infections?
No, this is what I'm gonna say this to all of you there that they have if your husband or your partner is foreigner or they don't like exotic food, this is the technique. Put hot sauce on it. Go. Tell me, okay? Tell me the honest.
Tastes like pudding.
Oh, really?
A little bit runny.
Huh?
Yeah.
Good? So...
If I wake up tomorrow morning, it is good.
So he said, if he's gonna wake up tomorrow, it's good. But if it's not, so how am I gonna eat this now? I'll have to wait until tomorrow? Oh! This is good skin because the high collagen for this. So I need rice for this.
Looks like it's more than a snack.
Yeah.
And it looks like you get yourself a meal.
Mm-hmm.
Possibly some leftovers.
Mm-hmm. You want more? Bye.
No, I'm good.
So just that's teeny tiny, that's it. This is why I love to cook exotic, because more for me. If I'm going to cook this again, are you going to eat again or no?
Yeah, I'll eat it. I'll probably eat some once my food's done.
Okay. So
I'll rub it on the steak.
Here guys, he's gonna eat this. But banana, no.
No banana.
Turon, no.
No.
Okay.
No, I'll eat no banana. I'll eat no banana
I was
today.
gonna go get the napkin. Just look at my hands. Thank you.
Here's your napkin.
Thank you, sir. Okay. So, Dudong says he likes this. It's not a fail today.
Final word will be tomorrow morning.
What? If you still wait.
Mm.
The final word tomorrow, if he still
Alive.
alive, or
If I wake up dead, well, it's no good.
no, the garlic that I put in there on the water, it helps. It gives a little bit flavor. People says, or professionals that be careful to invent food or cooking to mix up something like that, because there's a food that it's not poison, but if you combine to the other food, it will be turned to a poison, right? So my invention, every time I'm going to invent a food, he must, my dodong first, he must try first before me. Right? Do you agree?
Yeah, I just say, if anybody out there wants to send me a secret recipe for Diday to try, send it to me and I'll whip it up for her. Even if the ingredients drainal.
You hear that, guys? Is shouting to the world that if you guys have a secret recipe in there, just send it to here in Diday's blog.
I'll cook it for you. Don't worry, she won't see it on the admin.
That's all, everyone. And you see my husband eat the bone marrow, and you see how me and my husband, my dudong, the way we talk to each other is like always joking around, and it's fun. And then thank you for staying, and I hope you enjoy watching my experiment that I just put add a little bit flavor, and see you next time for my next video. Bye. Subscribe.